This is a 2021 Harris 210 Sunliner. Equipped with 115 horsepower Mercury command thrust motor. Stepping into the bow, dual helm, 2 loungers in the front, recessed cup holders and USB ports. Sunliner does come with the armrests, large storage under the helm. Wireless phone charger, the Lawrence fish finder depth finder. This pontoon is equipped for 9 people. Tilt steering wheel, Bluetooth stereo. Two rear loungers, again with recessed cup holders and USB ports. Your table, extended swim platform, telescoping ladder, and it is equipped with your ski tub. Great storage for garbage cans, life jackets. Pontoon does come with the cover. Four speakers inside the pontoon, and there are 2 rear-facing speakers for when you're tied at the sandbar. This is a 2021 used Harris 210 Sunliner. SkipperBud's in Madison.